Welcome back with another traveling trader video update. Look what we have here, a $43,000 Bitcoin back again. As you can see from the weekly chart, we haven't been around these numbers since last March before falling down from this all-time high point. So what this tells me is if we can come and consolidate around this last fall off point, we should be looking to push up to newer highs. The next place on my chart is 45.5. Until then, I would imagine we need to consolidate or even pull back. So again, next thing I'm looking for is 45.5, which ironically it has already hit 45 before pulling back, and that is on the weekly chart. Let's take down to a smaller time frame and see when that happened. That looks like it happened today at some point. It went up and touched 45,000 before pulling back. Now we're just sitting at 41.6. Again, I would like to see some consolidation above this 40,000 price range, somewhere above here, between here and 43, consolidate before the next push up above 45.5. And then again, before being able to return to some of those all-time high prices back here. Consolidate around the same area of confluence here. We can actually, let's pull this line up a little bit. Consolidate around here, 40,000, 43, 5,000 before pushing up next above 45.5. That can be, hopefully, it's before the end of the year, but maybe early June, maybe even also late June. I'm sorry, July. Probably early January, late January of 2024. We should be maybe looking to consolidate and maybe hold around this current area right now. Let's go back to the 4 hour and see exactly what those moves were. Looks like we were able to consolidate. What really fueled this is this consolidation around 37. Once we consolidated there, that gave us room to run. I mean, from 37.7 to 44.5 is a lot of money to be made. Let's skip back one more time just to see. Yeah, if you would have been buying this time last year, you would have doubled your money just within that year in Bitcoin. Here we had, it's not as low as one ago. Let's say, pretty much 22.6 up to 40, 44. Yeah, so when is this? This was March. This was this year, less than a year. If you'd have been buying early 2023, you would have already have doubled your money. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. 1 hour, and then we still have these outer bands here. So yeah, 45.5 is the next level, but we're looking to eventually, inevitably get back here. What's that? 63.1. 63.1 will be the day. I want to see that day here. So I would imagine sometime in 2024, if the markets align. Let's just see what the 15 minute. Yeah, that 15 minute is definitely pulling back a little bit, which is fine. You need that pullback for that push forward. So I would even a pullback to 43.4 is still decent. That right there would be enough to probably push us up above 45.5. Or sorry, at least 45. A pullback to 43.4 would definitely put us in the range of at least 45 again. So pull back overnight. Let's see what we can maybe do early morning or even maybe tomorrow on Bitcoin. It's 5 minutes. I think I'm out on this video. I do like to see it though. Let's zoom out one more time just to get the overall picture. Wow, look at that. I mean, straight back up into that area of confluence. These three bands are pretty much the lines of resistance and consolidation we need. So to be back up in these lines says a lot of good things about Bitcoin. Because even if we were to pull back to then still just hold within this band, even if we go back to 35, what's that? 37. If we go back to 37, that's fine. That still holds us within at least this top band here and still is giving us that consolidation we need to push out of it. Push out of 45.5 up in probably $2 to $50,000. $50,000 Bitcoin is crazy. I remember the last time that happened, a lot of money was getting made around this time. And it looks like we're ready to do it again. All right, that's 5 minutes. I'm the Traveling Trader with a quick Bitcoin for above 40,000 update.